color and play. Hi guys! Today, we're going to draw and color a Squishmallows. Let's learn step by step and draw together. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 1 Start. Let's begin with the first step of drawing our Squishmallows. This is going to be so much fun. Step 2 Start. Now, let's move on to step 2. The Squishmallows is really starting to take shape now. Step 2 End. Fantastic! We've completed step 2, and it's looking amazing. Step 3 Start. Let's go to step 3. We're almost done with the drawing part. This is exciting. Step 4 Start. Now for the fun part. Step 4. Let's add some colors to bring your Squishmallows looks awesome. Step 4 End. Wow! Look at those colors. Your Squishmallows looks amazing. You did a fantastic job. Please subscribe to our channel and support Color and Play.